Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to view the videos you've watched on Facebook with the latest steps for 2025. Whether you're trying to revisit a funny clip, a helpful tutorial, or something you just forgot to save, this quick guide will help you find it in seconds. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines that's the familiar menu icon. It looks like a little stack, and it's your gateway to all of Facebook's deeper settings. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap it and then tap Settings. This will take you into Facebook's main settings page where all your account tools are neatly organized. Now, find the section labeled Your Activity. This is where Facebook keeps track of everything you do, posts you've liked, comments you've made, searches, and more. From here, tap on Activity Log. This is a super useful section that shows your full history on Facebook, sorted by category. Once you're in your activity log, scroll until you see the area called Logged Actions and Other Activity. There's a small arrow to the right. Tap that arrow to expand the options. When the list appears, look for videos you've watched and tap it. Boom, there it is. Your full history of videos you've watched on Facebook will appear. You can browse through them, tap to rewatch, or even clear your watch history if you'd rather start fresh. This simple method works across most Android and iPhone devices, and it's updated to reflect Facebook's latest layout. So now, no more searching aimlessly or wishing you'd saved that one hilarious video. If you found this guide helpful, take a second to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.